Good morning. Hello. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a what I eat in a day video. I thought these would be fun. Sweeney, if you can't hear it. Relax, Chica. Relax. Anyways, I feel like the lighting is terrible. Can you chill out? Can you chill out on me? So I just got back from yoga. That was my morning workout of choice this morning, which I hadn't done in a very long time. And I forgot how zen it makes me feel, and I forgot how tired I am because when you go lay down, dude. Because I normally drink pre-workout before I work out in the morning, and I still have like morning breath, or not breath, I brushed my teeth, but morning voice. Anyways, I normally take pre-workout, and I'm pretty sure that's like frowned upon in yoga. So I'm tired. We need coffee. I made a fresh pot, or a fresh batch of cold brew last night. So it's ready to go. Scott pulled the plug on it already. So I'll leave my little kit thing down below if you guys do not have a cold brew making kit at home. It's so easy, it's so amazing, and it's so much more affordable. So I just poured into this because it fits into our fridge better. All right, so I got my little Amazon glass tumbler situation, and this needs a ton of ice because this is not cold. I'm also gonna just put a little bit of water in it to dilute it, since this is like a more of a concentrate. I'm feeling a lot of coffee today. And this is my creamer of choice. It's just the Natural Bliss Vanilla. I just think it's good. And we're gonna go in with quite a bit of that because I like creamer, but I also use a lot of coffee, so. I don't normally drink this much coffee, but I am so tired. All right, you guys, so now we are going to do my post-walk smoothie. So I do about half a cup of whole milk. That's just all we have on hand because of Arlo. If you have skim milk or anything like that, you can use a full cup, because then I fill it up with water. So I do anywhere from a half cup to a whole cup, depending on volume that you want for your smoothie. Then I go in with my powder products. I go ahead and use 1 serving of powdered peanut butter. I measure all this out using my food scale, and I started adding maca to balance hormones and whatnot. And then I did 1 full scoop of protein powder and about 2.5 big handfuls of fresh spinach. It's the only way I get my greens in for the day. From there, I went ahead and added a frozen banana. If you just have a regular banana, add ice, and then blended it all up. This Vitamix blender is the best thing ever. Now on to lunch. I decided to show you guys how I make my sandwiches. I've been on a huge sandwich kick, so I grabbed my turkey, my Swiss cheese. I'll have the recipe linked down below for you guys as well. Some dill pickles, my secret recipe, which is this caramelized onion dip from Trader Joe's. So freaking good. As a side, I also grabbed a couple of little baby carrots from the fridge. And my Dave's Killer bread. This is the one that I use. I like the thin sliced. And I go ahead and pop 2 slices into the toaster. I also decided to add bacon, so I went and took 2 slices and put it in the air fryer at 400 for, I want to say, about 6 minutes, or until it's done, depending. I also decided to fill up my water bottle and use the other half of my liquid IV in pina colada. I used 6 slices of turkey, 1 piece of Swiss cheese, some romaine lettuce, some avocado and bacon, and then the dip. And then I got my side, and I also decided to drink a Poppy as well. So let's go ahead and assemble. So off from my toasted bread, I use about 1 full serving of this dip. It's a sour cream dip. It is so good. My mouth is watering thinking about it. I use this in placement of mayonnaise, mustard. You could use hummus. I like cream cheese, whatever. I just really enjoy this spread. I think it levels it up. And then I use a lot of turkey. I use 6 slices. I love a lot of meat on my sandwich. This is just the smoked turkey breast from Trader Joe's. And this is very thin. That's another reason why I use a lot. But if you get thick cut turkey, you probably don't need as much turkey. So I load that up, so every bite I get a ton of turkey. And then from there, I add my slice of Swiss cheese. I add the bacon on there. Then my lettuce and half an avocado. I did already pre-salt this, and then I just go ahead and mash it a little bit into the lettuce. And that's it, you guys. That's my sandwich. So freaking good, such a hearty sandwich, and it leaves me full for a really long time. I went ahead and grabbed 2 little kosher dill pickles, because what's a sandwich without pickles? I love pickles. I then grabbed my carrots and my poppy. I sat down on the counter, and I also, of course, had to have my water and potato chips. These are a new one from Trader Joe's. These are Carolina barbecue. They taste nothing like barbecue, more like mustard and vinegar, which is what I think Carolina barbecue is. They're freaking delicious. They're ruffled. They're thick. They're so good. Enjoy this compilation of me eating my sandwich. This was such a filling lunch. If you haven't had a sandwich in a while, give this one a go. I swear you're going to love it. Alrighty guys, so it's dinner time. We decided to do a super quick and easy meal. So we got peppers and onions, some tortillas. Scott is over here cutting up some avocado. We had some Mexican cheese. I'm not even going to try to say it and butcher it. Some pico de gallo and some green salsa. And then over here, Scott is grilling up this piece of meat. I think it's called the Santa Maria from Trader Joe's. I picked it up in my recent grocery haul. So he went ahead and smoked that, and I went ahead and heated up 2 of these little flour tortillas. With this meat, it's so flavorful and so good, but you have to really slice it thinly or you can find it to be really tough. So just make sure you cook it long and slow, and then cut it into really thin slices so it's not too chewy. And then I went ahead and did it. Topped it with my peppers and onions and some avocado and then some pico de gallo. Of course, you can make your own, but we just went really quick and easy. Try out Fiesta if you have it. It's a grocery store, and they have a lot of like really great fresh salsas and stuff. And then some green salsa to top it off with. This was so good. And then I went ahead and just topped it with this cheese. I think it's cojita. I don't know what kind of cheese it is, but it's a Mexican cheese and it's really good. It's a soft cheese. So I went ahead and topped it off with that. And that was my quick and easy dinner, you guys. Not every dinner is super elaborate for us. And then for dessert, I finished off with these little rice cakes that I smeared with peanut butter. And then I took melted chocolate with a little bit of coconut oil in it. And then I went ahead and smeared that on and put some like coarse sea salt on top. So that was what I had for dessert. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.